familiarize yourself with the fourth largest cryptocurrency in the world? Fourth largest cryptocurrency? Tell me more about it. Yes, Solana, a cryptocurrency launched in April 2020, has grown 16,000% since the start of 2021 and has many projects running on its network. Solana was conceived in 2017 when Anatoly Yakovenko, its founder, tried to match the performance of a decentralized network of nodes to that of a single node. It sounds complex, but decentralized networks are made up of computers or nodes which interact on a peer-to-peer basis without the assistance of third parties. The price of Solana skyrocketed in July 2021 and people called it the Solana summer. Now, as prices continue to climb, Solana has truly become the cryptocurrency of the year. Hello and welcome. I am Prarthana from Clear, which is India's largest tax and financial services platform. At Clear, we have assisted 6 million tax filers so far. Also, I have an exciting announcement for new subscribers. Yes, we have a free gift for you. We have curated 4 of our best calculators that will help you estimate the future cost of your financial goals as well as identify the lump sum you need to invest to reach those goals. To claim it, subscribe to our channel and let us know in the form that is provided in the description box below. Before talking about Solana, let us understand what a cryptocurrency really is. Well, it is decentralized digital money that runs on the blockchain technology. Solana, also called the SOL, is an open source blockchain protocol that helps institutions and developers across the world build decentralized applications or DApps. Solana can add many properties to its existing network, such as building applications and mining the SOL tokens within microcons. Some salient features of the Solana are: Solana is a high-performance blockchain that offers completely decentralized, secure and scalable infrastructure to give you tomorrow's dApps. Secondly, Solana's network is very fast, secure and censorship resistant. It uses a combination of POW, proof of work, and POH, proof of history mechanisms to improve its scalability. Proof of work means every node or computer on the blockchain network must arrive at a consensus before any new entry. Proof of history means a new block can be added to the blockchain network without a mutual agreement. Do remember that in Solana, each node has its own cryptocurrency clock, which makes independent decisions without having to consult other nodes. When it comes to cryptocurrencies, speed is everything and Solana does not disappoint. The Solana network supports 50,000 transactions per second, making it the fastest blockchain in the world. Let us compare the speed of the Solana network versus the other cryptocurrencies. As you can see, Solana is 3,800 times faster than Ethereum and 10,000 times faster than Bitcoins. Solana has grown by over 16,000% since January 1st, 2021. The price of one SOL on January 1st, 2021 was $1.86 and its price was $250 on November 7th. Take a look at the monthly price movements of Solana in 2021.
This table shows the price of Solana in US dollars. This table shows the price of Solana in Indian rupees.
I hope by now you have understood what Solana is and the returns you get from this cryptocurrency. Don't you want to know more about the 8 core features of Solana? If yes, then please type yes in the comment section below. The main reason for the stupendous rise of Solana in 2021 is another cryptocurrency called the Ethereum. Now, Ethereum is the world's second largest cryptocurrency and the first one to introduce smart contracts. These smart contracts are tiny pieces of code that permit the blockchain platforms to run dApps and other programs.
Here's how Solana could emerge as an alternative to Ethereum. Well, Ethereum's network is highly congested and transactions have become very expensive. Newer platforms such as Solana want to capitalize on its weakness of Ethereum to emerge as Ethereum killers. Solana is the fastest cryptocurrency on the block and can process up to 50,000 transactions per second. And lastly, it enjoys a huge advantage over Ethereum because of the high transaction speed and low costs of $0.00025 per transaction.
Well, it is quite early to say if Solana could truly emerge as an Ethereum killer. What's more likely is a set of 4 to 5 smart cryptocurrencies could come out on top of Ethereum. Solana uses a combination of proof of stake and proof of history to process the transactions quickly. Proof of history validates transactions without any communication with nodes. Here's how proof of history works. Firstly, proof of history follows a simple formula of giving a particular node the leadership position. The leader node has the responsibility of generating the proof of history statement. To do so, the leader node arranges other nodes on the blockchain network to generate the proof of history statement. The leader node then publishes the transactions in their final state to verifiers, also called the replicator nodes. Lastly, these verifiers will execute the same transactions again to verify them, create copies of these transactions, and then publish them. The Solana network has only one leader node. The verifier node has the same capabilities as the leader node and can even be elected as the leader node through proof of stake elections.
Number 1. Proof of history, a clock before consensus. A cryptographic clock that helps nodes to agree on the time order of events on a chain without talking to each other. Number 2. Tower BFT. It uses proof of history as a cryptographic clock to reach a consensus without going through several messages. Number 3. Gulf Stream. It helps validators execute transactions ahead of time, thereby reducing confirmation time and increasing Solana speeds to 50,000 transactions per second. Next, Turbine, a block propagation protocol that breaks data into smaller increments, thereby making data transfer easier amongst nodes. Fifth, Sea Level, a transaction processing engine that permits concurrent transactions on the same chain. Sixth, Pipeline. Pipeline is a process of assigning input data to different hardware of processing. Seventh, Cloudbreak. It is a data structure that increases scalability of the Solana network. Lastly, Archivers. Solana's network will offload the data to a network of nodes called Archivers. These are basic laptops or personal computers for data storage. Solana's partners are Project Serum, FTX, Terra, Akash, Chainlink, Civic, Diffuse, Formatic, Stardust, Kin, and Tempest.
The bottom line is Solana is still a work in progress and the team is working on improving network features and stability. It is a growing cryptocurrency which helps speculative investors earn higher returns because of its volatility. Larger platforms migrating to blockchain processes require extremely fast platforms. Wondering what the future holds for Solana? Well, Solana currently has a market capitalization of $74 billion and is laying the claim to become an Ethereum killer. It is still having a long way to go as Ethereum has a market capital of $600 billion. Nevertheless, the sheer rise in the price of Solana in 2021 makes investors believe that Solana will emerge as an Ethereum killer one day. The true power of Solana lies in the blockchain gaming. The global gaming industry currently stands at a massive $175 billion and could cross the $200 billion mark by 2023. Gaming will drive more investors to cryptocurrencies, and Solana, with its high transaction speeds and low transaction costs, play a major role in the global gaming industry. To sum up the prediction for the Solana, well, cryptocurrencies are blending with the gaming industry and will bring the next billion customers to the web. Solana can improve the gaming experience and increase revenue streams. Not just that, top venture capitalists have recognized Solana's potential for the gaming industry. Far away, a leading blockchain studio has raised $13 million in early stage funding to develop browser-based games on the Solana network. Well, Solana's platform's investment arm, Solana Ventures, has just announced its participation in the new $100 million fund to boost the blockchain gaming. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel to claim your free gift. Thank you so much for watching the video. Stay tuned for the next video and take care.